view of the Lokalist Hotel, room 414 in Istanbul. The Lokalist, Lokalist. This, it seems like this, they gave us a corner room. This is a very small hotel. King bed.
Boutique hotel.
It's a small boutique hotel. I mean, this is enough space. They did say that everything in the mini bar, the coffee, all the snacks is complimentary, which is nice. Breakfast is included in the mornings. We're traveling via Turkish Airlines, and this is the complimentary stay over hotel. We're traveling from Rome back to California with a stopover in Istanbul, courtesy of Turkish Airlines. And this is the included hotel. It's quite nice. It's a Marriott property. This is a Marriott Tribute portfolio hotel. Looks like they have some nice product to use. It kind of feels like the AC hotel we stayed in Florence. Toilet. Small little shower.
AC hotel in Florence,
Yeah. The shower is about the same as the size as the Le Méridien in Florence. But oh, and here is closet for your luggage. And then another closet here for additional stuff. Here's the safe. With some slippers. Nice. So, just for anybody who's looking for information on this one, because I didn't see a lot of videos about this hotel, so that's what this is for. One thing about the room is everything is electronic. It's touchpad, so you can close the shades here. Here, you can close them. The drapes and the blackout drapes. You can close them all. Over there. I can see them coming down. This reminds me a little bit of the Taiwan hotel as well. But we're right across the street from a big memorial park. Or a monument is what they call it. Nice. Okay, I was worried because those had the daytime drapes where they can still see inside. But anyways. So, very nice. Okay, this is the breakfast area at the Lokalist. Kind of like a continental. Oh, it's not continental. Certainly has lots of hot food. Fruit. Then, let's see, cereal items. Raisins, chickpeas, local. I don't know what this is. Cocoa haba. So cereals, jams, breads. Nice. And looks like hot food. But I don't know what's in here. That is, boiled eggs. Scrambled eggs? Oh, what? Belgian waffles. Bell peppers. Sausage. Oh, some noodles. I'm assuming Greek yogurt, some dairy, and some other stuff. Okay. Breakfast also includes these menu items. So this is what I got. It's kind of carb heavy, but I can't help it. The two pretzel thingies fell into a different pot, so I just grabbed them so that they wouldn't stay there. And there's nothing to grab them with, so I used my hand, so I had to take them. But she just got yogurt and very healthy salad. And a very
All their produce is great.